Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check storage on iPhone, and here's how it is done. Start by locating the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. This is usually represented by a gray icon with gears. Once you are in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find General and tap on it. The General settings include a variety of essential system options for your iPhone. In the General settings, look for the iPhone storage and tap on it. This will take you to a screen where you can see a full breakdown of your storage space. At the top of the iPhone storage screen, you will see a colored bar graph that provides a quick snapshot of your device storage use. This graph is divided into categories such as apps, photos, iOS, system, and other. Each category is color coded, making it easy to see where most of your storage is allocated at a glance. Once you are finished checking and managing your storage, you can press the home button or swipe up if you are using a Face ID enabled device to return to the home screen. And that is everything you need to know about how to check storage on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.